But yeah, I kind of just want to see us accumulate here on Q, right? Kind of for that change in state that we always talk about. Um, Come ES at the same time we take out this low on NQ right here, because I'm looking for us to take out this low. Um, but at the same time we do that, I want to see us mitigate this 5 minute on ES. If we could do that, that would be beautiful. But if not, and we just continue higher, we're just gonna wait till news at 10 a.m., which is in 5 minutes. So we'll just we're basically waiting it out, kind of just seeing what's happening. I mean, half of this is just observing the market. We're not always trying to like, oh, where can I enter? Can I enter right now? Is it now? Is it time? It's like no, just observe. It's kind of like a kid, saying, "Are we there yet?" 1,000 times. It's just like wait, and you'll see when we're there. All right. So that's what I'm kind of doing right now. If my trade jumps out at me, right? If my model jumps out to me, then I will take it. If it doesn't, then we don't trade today, and we end off with a green week. But as of right now, we're just kind of playing it by ear. It looks like we're going to have news, or it looks like we're going to possibly have a move after news comes, just because it looks like we're not doing too much right here on NQ. I'm truly curious. That was actually a really good question someone asked. With government shutdown, will we have the red folder news still? And it's like, I'm interested to see. It happens in 4 minutes. Actually, no, I'm tripping. 9:50 macro happens in 4 minutes. So 10 a.m. news happens in 14 minutes. So I guess we're waiting till macro to see if we have a macro move. Literally lived NFP to next week. Yeah. Today is NFP. I want to see us take out this low so bad, like on one of the indexes. But it doesn't look like we are. We still do have this 5 minute though. Could potentially see something here on ES. If we do, I feel like ES is going to want to take out this high. And possibly. That's actually, I could see us mitigating this. I can see us mitigating this fair value gap and coming higher to take out this high. If I'm being honest. Going to macro though, macro's in 2 minutes, and I'm not seeing the most. So cold. Dang. There's 26 people in here. We're gonna do what are we doing tonight? Around the evening time. I'll put out a specific time, but we're gonna do like a meet and greet tonight. If anyone wants to join that, just like network with any other people in the server. I mean, like I say, there's people in this server who don't know what candlesticks are, and then there's people all the way up to like, my boy's in the server making like 40K a month, and he just posted like a 60K bow. No, it was 70K bow, 70K balance on the store. So like, there's all types of connections in here, and there's um, so much opportunity just to meet so many people in the space. I mean, but I'll be doing that meet and greet tonight. It'll be in the evening, so I'll give you guys a like more specific time. Probably around 7 o'clock, maybe. So we'll see though. I'll let you guys know. It should be like 30 minutes. I mean, you can pop in whenever. But I'll just post like updates throughout the day on that. Yo, and then when we hit 10K on Instagram, like I'm giving away so much shit. It's crazy. Like funded accounts, and nitro, and all types of stuff. But I'll let you guys know more about that.
Mateo got so hazed today, he brought a tree home as his final hazing experience. Mateo got so hazed today, he brought a tree home.
The heck? So macro just opened. Doesn't look like we're doing much. I still like how ES is looking. If ES can come lower to this like inverse, I can see ES inversing this 5 minute. What strat do you use? I use my own strat. I just based off of AMD, ICT's power 3, and then I look for a change in state of direction, and then displacement from those equal highs, and then a little pullback into like some type of entry confluence, like for value gap or order block, and take it to like our nearest straws of liquidity. Well, yeah, I want to see ES. I feel like ES is gonna come lower when we have news, but I'm not sure. Right now, market's not looking the most volatile, and then possibly maybe a day for no trades. The PA on NQ is looking crazy. Alright, coming higher. We're just, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking like we're just gonna come higher. I mean, we did come to this 5 minute inverse. It looks like we want to take out this high, no doubt. I mean, we could see if we could have a move like once 10 a.m. news hits. I mean, but that was a continue. We definitely just are continuing higher. We're continuing higher as of right now. And now we're at all-time highs. kind of just looking like to see what price wants to do right now, because we are accumulating. We are accumulating. I mean, that's no doubt. NQ is looking pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. For accumulation. I genuinely think there's gonna be a move that's after 10 a.m. I want to see. I feel like we're gonna have a higher time frame with SMT being formed. I can see like NQ taking out this low, or yeah, NQ taking out the low. ES drawing lower here, and we just took out this high too. We have a bearish SMT here on the higher time frame on the 5 minute. Now I feel like we're gonna come back higher, but see if we can make a new low here. I could definitely, I can potentially see myself taking this play on ES. Short. I mean, we have a higher time frame bearish SMT. We just surpassed this low. If we can come back, if we can come back into this order block, then I can definitely see us taking this trade. Well, if we just continue lower, then I cannot see us taking this trade. But we do have this gap here on the 2 minute. Could signify us coming, pushing back into this order block and potentially coming lower. Alright, NQ's coming towards this low here. Finally, NQ's coming towards this low, like I said the whole time. Yeah, looks like we're just gonna top the bottom of this accumulation. So I don't know, guys. We do have sell side down here, but I like this low in general. Alright, NQ just took out this low, so we do have, should be bullish SMT if I'm not mistaken. So we do have a bullish SMT that was formed. I do like how we're kind of looking here. Hopefully we can have like this 10 a.m. reversal. I have this hard time frame order block here. Okay, that's 10 a.m. news. So that answers your question. So there is still news. Let's see if we can hop in. Low-key, a shorts play would not hurt. I want to see if we can get a little pullback though. Take out the last of the buyers. We had good displacement. We just filled this 5-minute inverse. Thing is that there's just no entries like right now. I don't see any entries. Disrespecting this bearish S&T. And keeps pushing lower. We're gonna see if we can target this low. I just wanna wait till we can have a valid pullback in the entry. Cause we had displacement, which is nice. But there's just no entry, guys. So I genuinely don't see anything. Like, the play's there. Don't get me wrong, the play's there. But I can't enter without any entry components. Could care less. This can go down to freaking these lows down here. I could care less. But like, if I don't have that confirmation to take shorts, I'm not gonna just enter in the shorts, because we could damn well have a pullback. Who knows? We want to maybe take out, you know, this level of liquidity up here. It just wouldn't be a smart play, guys, in my opinion. But we all have free will here. Do as you please. Do as you please. As NQ is definitely targeting this low, and we just swept this low actually, which is very, very nice though. I do like that. I do like how we swept that low and inverse this 5-minute here on NQ, on ES. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. This could damn well be a nice long. This can be. There's potential for this play. There's a potential for this play on NQ. I'm seeing good PA on NQ. No doubt. I'm just not gonna enter off of, like, you know, some bullshit. I'm not gonna, like, just cause, you know, we're tanking doesn't mean, oh, I'm entering, you know, we're gonna keep tanking. Like, it doesn't always work like that. I feel like we're gonna continue lower though. If ES can have a pullback that I like, I can see me taking it. We do have these lows on ES still. Still good volatility within the market right now, so I really like how PA is looking on NQ right now. We're gonna see what we do here at this fair value gap. If we can disrespect it, that would be beautiful. If we don't, then it looks like we're just gonna continue the trend. Like a tattoo. simply just observing the market, guys. I like how we're kind of making equal highs here on ES. Well, I can sure still see us. The thing is that this is a 2 minute against a 5 minute, so really gonna have to weigh out, what we see here. I will be patient though. Still have this buy side liquidity here. See if we displace or if we disrespect this SMT. Oh, cool. In the zoo. What is you? I don't know. No. Pull up. What up? Blah. Blah. Yes. Oh, if we can make equal highs here on the 5 minute, that would be beautiful. That would be nice. I can see that happening. It's just the thing is, we're respecting this SMT right now, and ES looks like it's the leading index, and looks like it's possibly coming higher. We still are within this 2 minute inverse for value gap right now, so don't want to jump to any conclusions. But regardless, if we keep up the liquidity, then I could, or volatility, then I can see us taking a play. Yeah, who the f, bro? That's why I'm about to delete this app, bro. So annoying. Come on, bro. Okay. Yeah, looks like we're coming lower from this. I could definitely see us coming to this low but we do still have these that we could possibly pull back into. So I genuinely would not feel comfortable entering from this 2 minute inverse. I mean, yeah, for a fact, like we could definitely be, you know, we just inverse this. It could be something like this, but I will screenshot this to see if that forward test, but I'm not gonna take that. Like half this is just like testing out plays in your mind too, like seeing if it's gonna play out. Yeah. I like how we have. I really like how we have equal highs. I just want to keep that in mind. That we do have those equal highs. And some pretty decent volatility right now in the market. Let's mark this as some or this SMT here. We still have equal highs here on NQ. ES looks like we may want to clear these equal highs, come back to like this order block and come higher. That is definitely a potential for that. But if we do surpass like one of these lows, then I'll just call it a day. So I wouldn't say we're overextended, really whatsoever. But we will see. I like how we displaced past these equal highs, these highs on. I like how we displaced past these highs on ES. If we can get displacement on NQ, that would be low-key a possible green light. Yeah, we paid. Yeah, we paid. Liquid diamonds and ditches and shit. Don't play with that boy, he is not one of them. I stopped taking L's to catch me in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Coming up to that 10:15. I'm really liking these equal highs right here. I don't want to like let them go. These equal highs that we have, very prevalent. Just took out this high on the 5-minute. Okay. I just saw an eagle fly by. See if we can get a pullback right here on ES. And if NQ can surpass these equal highs, because it looks like it wants to. It looks like NQ wants to, definitely. Just gonna give it some time. Alright, I like that. Okay, so this is pretty valid here. In my opinion, I think this is definitely valid. We have AMD playing out. We have accumulation, a little manipulation laid lower. And coming into that distribution, we form some equal highs here on the 2-minute. Coming towards this high on the 5-minute right here. And we do have this order block. So if we were to pull back into this order block, or any type of continuation confluence, I'd be willing to enter. I just want to see one more time us taking out the sellers in the market, those people who are shorting the market, and then I'd be willing to take this trade. I'd probably take it to like low-hanging fruit, which would definitely be like this gap that we have up here. Or I could, if we can inverse this 5-minute, for sure. I know we have this low, but we will see. We just took out this 2-minute, but we have a 5-minute right here. If we can inverse, but if we tap on it and just continue lower, and then like take out like this low down, no trades today. If we take out these lows, but I could see us taking a play here. Also want to see what ES is doing. ES might want to come take out this down here, because we also do have the same draw, which is this order block. Check out the higher time frame. I'm gonna try to get like pretty good risk management on this trade, so, and it's probably I'm gonna take it like low, like I'm gonna scale very low. We are later in the day. Yeah. Alright, I'm probably gonna enter in shoot. I'm gonna put
Order
one buy
filled.
position, just one, and literally cut it at this low. If we get stopped, we get stopped. But I'm following my model, taking it to low hanging fruit. If we lose, we lose, and I post it and I go about my day, and that's how trading goes. But just under this low. And I'm only going for low hanging fruit. I could be going higher, but we have one con in this play, and we don't have the strongest like volatility right now in the market. If we lose though. I would be fine. If we and that's the thing. When you have good risk management, I feel like it's more within you. Like you don't care if you lose for real, and I think that's what kind of changes your mentality about losing. Every day from the floor. Something that ever keeps me in. Good thing else will catch me in. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, I have good conviction. I mean, if we lose, then that's just the way it is. We fill this order block, which I do like. Yeah. That's just the way it is.
Order filled.
Alright, so order did get filled. Took out the stop, so it looks like price may want to come lower to these lows, or maybe we just got, stopped out and it may just continue higher. But it is pretty late into market now, so even if we do miss out on the play for us to come higher, then it is what it is. You say you can't see my stream? What do you mean? Can you guys see my stream? Yeah, I gotta stop. Yeah, so boom, they get stopped on NQ. No doubt that, I mean, eventually we could definitely be coming higher. Definitely, I'm not gonna take any more trades today and probably just cut it there. So 1 L in the day, fine. We're still up. Still crazy on the week, and this could for sure well just come higher. So we never know. That's but that's what the market is. As long as we have our conviction, as long as we follow our setup, our model, then can't really complain, you know. But I definitely do want to see if this comes higher, though. You know, but I think regardless, I'm done for the day. If your stop loss is lower, it's up to you. It's whatever your conviction is, bro. Me, I always ride out trades. You know, I never, I don't really like, I don't like to cut my losses. Or I don't like to cut my trade early, just because I usually trust my conviction. Like I still think this is gonna play out. I think I just simply got wicked out the trade, which happens. Um, it definitely does happen. So they can for sure go higher, but we'll see. I look here just want to see it play out. I could care less about the money at the end of the day. I'm really focused on, you know, I feel like having a clean play like that really shows, you know, that you're a good trader, not like the money. I mean, I'm letting the candlesticks are speaking for me right now. If you're in the trade, you said should I stay in if my stop loss was lower? I'm like, yeah, ride that shit out. Cause look, oh, I love fucking trading, bro. This shit's crazy, bro. It's crazy how you can be happy over a loss, bro. This is so funny. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I continued the stream, and so you guys can see this shit. That's just so funny. I'm passively aggressively crashing out right now. But so you guys caught that. Okay, which is nice. At least you guys caught that. Did you still catch that? What's your name? C something? That's me. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. But like I said, it's not about the money. See, I could care less if I got stopped out. I got wicked out. Right? You hit take profit. Nice. So yeah, I got wicked out. Still hit take. We still ended up hitting take profit, and that's like these are the wins in trading that you want to be aiming for. You want to be aiming for wins upon your model, not wins upon your money, right? So yo, that's hilarious though. But I call that a W day. I genuinely don't care. That's a W day. In my eyes, W's on ES, bro. W's for you guys, bro. I got wicked out, but that's just like I said. That's just the way it is, bro. But yeah, that's how the model works. But all right, later today, we got a meet and greet going on. I'll let you guys know about that. It's in the evening, but I'm probably gonna journal this up because this was funny as shit. But that's that's how it works, bro. That's how trading works. So, gotta love the game, even if you get wicked out. But y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all Monday. Well, I'll see y'all later today, but then we'll be live day trading on Monday. Y'all have a beautiful day, and I'll see y'all. Yo, it's hilarious.